Do you have an old machine or imported machine? What if you could recreate it, improve it, and manufacturing it again with precision? This is where reverse engineering begins. Every successful reverse engineering project starts with understanding the machine completely. First, we carefully dismantle every components and study the complete working mechanism, motions, connections, and functional relationship between parts. Then, each individual component is inspected and measured using high precision measuring instruments to capture exact dimensions and critical tolerance. After detailed measurement, every part is converted into an accurate 3D CAD model using advanced engineering software. But reverse engineering is not just copying a part. We deeply analyze the machine's working principle, load calculation, assembly structure, standard components, material selection, and manufacturing feasibility. Our engineering team perform reverse load calculation and functional analysis to ensure the recreated design performance reliably in real industrial condition. Once the design validation is completed, the complete assembly is digitally recreated and tested in CAD. Then we define the manufacturing process, machining methods, fabrication sequence, and production requirements. Finally, detailed manufacturing drawings are released for precision manufacturing and assembly. For an existing machine to a fully engineered production ready solution. This is not redesigning, this is engineering intelligence. Reverse engineering by Crecard Innovative Technology Private Limited, where experience, precision, and technical expertise transform idea into working machines. If you want to recreate or optimize existing machines, our engineering team is ready to help. Book your consultants with Crecard Innovative Technology Private Limited today and transfer your mission idea into manufacturing ready solution.